Mushroom business can be a side hustle. It requires less capital to start and also less space to start. In today's video, we are going to learn about the stages or the steps in mushroom production. It requires 7 stages, and then we will take each of the stages, break it down for you to understand. So with little or no supervision, you should be able to grow your own mushroom at home. We will also be producing videos on practical basis how each of the stages is done. So do well to hit on the subscribe button to join the lovely team. It's your girl, the crown princess of the edible fungi kingdom. Akintina Evelyn is the name. Let's get started. Let's jump in and